guys, welcome back to my channel. How's it going? I hope you're all doing really well. I am leaving for my holiday in 2 hours, but before then it's Glossybox time. Glossybox, for those of you that don't know, is a monthly beauty subscription box. It's £10 a month plus postage and packaging. I do get sent this for free in PR from Glossybox, which is so lovely of them. I used to have my own subscription that I paid for over 2 years, but then they kindly offered to send me it, which is just so lovely of them. But you will always get my honest review because I don't like liars. So yeah, let's get into this. Glossybox always comes in these beautiful pink boxes unless it's a special edition. When it's a special edition, you get special edition boxes, and they look, for example, this was one of the special editions, but there's been loads and they are beautiful. So yeah, let's get in. So this is how it comes with a little black ribbon. This is the card telling you about it. And then, as I do every month, I will show you guys first. There we go. Does it look good? Oh, I'm excited. Okay. So Glossies, listen up. It's the start of a new beauty school year, and our expertly curated edit of 6 products will help you to prep and get organised this September. There's usually 5, but we've got 6 this month. Whether you're heading back to work, university, or tackling the dreaded school run, these handbag essentials are perfect for a quick fix before you go hurry out the door. Beauty school kicks off with brow and lip masterclass. Get back on track and define your features with 2 products in this edit. You'll even learn how to detox your skin and also scalp for stronger, healthier hair growth with 2 more of our September picks. Don't be a beauty school dropout. Check out the blog for inspo on how to use your Glossybox team. And there's a sneak peek for October. Oh my god. There is lipsticks next month, and one of them is purple. Ilamasca. Oh my goodness, that's a purple lipstick. I really want the purple one. I love purple lipstick. Anyway, let's get in. First thing I've got is this Daily Concepts Your Facial Mini Scrubber with smart technology. Travel size, makes removing exfoliating makeup remover and exfoliating face for all skin types. What? Okay, I'm confused. I don't know what this is. I'm excited. Oh, look, it's a little... Ooh. And then one side soft. I need to look what this is because I don't know. Okay, your facial mini scrubber, which is full size, this is £8.85. This little beauty from America is made using soy and natural cotton based layer, which creates a really rich lather. It's perfect for sensitive skin and is dermatologically tested and allergy tested for peace of mind. We love that it's cruelty free and has a cute little pocket to put your fingers in. So what do we do? What do you do? I don't even know. Oh, I'm going to take this on holiday with me. Oh, I don't really know what to do with it, but I think it just takes your makeup off, and it says for travel, and I'm going on an aeroplane in like 2 hours. So not 2 hours, like 4 hours, but I'm getting picked up in 2 hours. So that is coming on holiday. That's coming to Crete with me. Yes, it is. Okay, next up is Bang Beauty. Bang Beauty's packaging is always like fling and flang and amazing. How pretty is that? Don't know what it is. What are you? What are you? I don't know. Let's just... Oh, what is it? What is it? Oh, milk chocolate brow cream and a little brush. How cute is that? Oh, it's shiny. I'm like a magpie. Oh, it's like a pomade. I'm excited. Oh, that's a really nice colour. Oh, I like that. Oh, I don't know how many times I'm going to say oh in this video. Eyebrow cream. Nothing gives you confidence boost more than a powerful brow. I agree. I can go out with no makeup on as long as my eyebrows are on. I am a happy panda. The eyebrow cream has velvety consistency that applies effortlessly so you can get HD brows at home. It comes with an angle brush for applying a thick defined brows that stay in place all day and night. £16.80 full size. I'll put it on the screen at the end how much the whole box is worth. And I should also say I do have a discount code that I will put on the screen for you now, where you can get 20% off your first box. Yeah. Okay, next up we've got wet ones. These are actually going to go in my hand luggage as well. This is like it was made for my hand luggage. Love it. These are full size and these are £1.19. Whether you need to freshen up or clean up, these handy wipes are handy on the go, kill 99.9% of bacteria and are gentle, dermatologically tested and pH balanced, meaning they're suitable for use on your hands, body and the kids. So that is awesome. So I'll have to take a giant pack of baby wipes out of me because baby wipes are massive. So they're going on the hand luggage as well. Okay. Next up, I've got a Beauty Pro Detoxifying Bubble. Oh, I love bubble masks. I love bubble masks. This is £4.95. We know September can be a tiring time, so bringing on this award-winning sheet mask to revive your skin using activated charcoal, a miracle worker for blemish-prone skin, extracts of lime, lemon, apple, orange and grapefruit. This mask is wonder for detoxing your skin, refining your pores and reducing oil. Sit back and relax while the bubble creates micro massage which works deep into the pores and it's cruelty-free. That sounds amazing. I'm going to do this as soon as I get home from holiday. I'm not going to take it with me because I've already got a mask packed for holiday. Next up, I've got a Grow Gorgeous Scalp Detox. I've not actually seen this brand before, I don't think. It's nice packaging, it's quite simple. And it says, this is a Deluxe Mini. The Deluxe Mini is £7.37, full size is £28. Scalp detoxing should be part of a regular part of your regime. Pomegranate enzymes, natural castor oil beads, remove impurities that block your roots to create the perfect environment for healthy hair growth. We love that it's vegan and cruelty free. Use 1 to 2 times a week as a pre-wash treatment. Oh, that sounds really cool. I'm gonna have a little sniff of this. Oh, it smells lovely. Oh my god, that smells so good. That, there's a smell that's literally just took me back to being like 15 and living at home. My mum has got something that she uses all the time that smells like this, and that smells amazing. Like, that's just like proper took me back. You know when a smell takes you back somewhere? That's what that's done. And then my final item is Karl Lagerfeld and Model Co. And this is a lip liner in Rosewood. There was a Karl Lagerfeld and Model Co box which I've had as well, and the lip liner I got with that was amazing, so I'm super excited for this. This is full size and this is £25. Get out. Oh, it's a pretty colour, really pretty colour. I love it. That's really nice, and they're so soft, it's unreal. Beautiful, beautiful lip liner. So that was my September box. I'm sorry it was late, it got lost in the post, but I'm over the moon with that. And yeah, I think if this is going to be your first box, you will not be disappointed. But yeah, thanks for watching. If you like these kind of videos, please do give this one a thumbs up. You should definitely subscribe to my channel for more fun stuff to come. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon. Bye guys.